Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. This is the whipped cream frosting we are using for today's cake. Using these 4 6-inch cake layers. We will also be using my buttercream frosting here, which we've added some cake crumbs to it, my no sugar and vanilla syrup, some chocolate sauce. We'll also be using some sprinkles, among others. These are the cake decorating tools, our scrapers, the offset spatulas, and then the cake box, and then the turntable, and all the others. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. I'm going to assemble the cake layers with our syrup here and then the whipped cream first. I've done this so many times on the channel with other videos, so you can check them out. I won't show the whole thing here. I'm just going to show how I'm going to do one, and then we'll continue from when everything is stacked up. This is how the cake looks like. I've assembled it. So I'm going to crumb coat, freeze it, and then we'll continue from where the decoration part begins. I've taken the cake out of the fridge, so we are going to start frosting it with the whipped cream frosting. So this is it. I'm going to smoothen it out. Now fill in the gaps. So this is what we've got after smoothing it out. I'm going to start adding the decorations and then we'll continue. If you've watched the video till now, I'll please like you to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post and notification icon, and then join us each and every Thursday and Sunday when we post new videos by subscribing so that you get notifications on your phone anytime the video is posted. So I'm packaging for delivery, adding the gold ribbon, And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.